What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at 4 charge cycle a solar battery undergoes. Solar batteries undergoes series of stages while charging, which helps the battery to stay fully charged. Number 1 is box stage. At this stage, the battery is at low state of charge. The maximum available current from the solar charge controller is delivered to the battery, while voltage steadily builds up. This stage brings the battery from 0% state of charge to 80% state of charge. Box stage is the first and the fastest stage of charging. Number 2 is absorption stage. At this stage, voltage is kept constant while current gradually decreases. Voltage is kept at 14.4 volt for a 12 volt battery. Absorption stage takes longer time, between 1 to 3 hours. Absorption stage brings the battery from 80% to 100%. It helps the battery to get filled up without overheating or overcharging the batteries. Number 3 is float stage. At this stage, the battery is fully charged. Voltage gradually drops, while a little amount of current, usually called trickle charge, enters the battery to keep the battery at its float voltage and to keep the battery topped up. This trickle charge helps to overcompensate for self-discharge and keep the battery at its float voltage. Number 4 is equalization stage. Equalization is done occasionally, not like the first 3 stages that is done on daily basis. Equalization is done at an interval between 20 to 30 days interval. Equalization is a controlled overcharging of the batteries. At this stage, the battery is kept at high voltage, between 15 volts to 16 volts for a 12 volt battery, to help balance the cells of the batteries and also to mix the electrolyte inside the batteries to avoid stratification. Equalization can be done manually or automatically with a charge controller. Then let's look at different battery technologies and the charge cycle they undergo. For a flooded lead acid battery, it undergoes the 4 charge cycle of a battery, which is box stage, absorption stage, float stage, and equalization. For AGM and gel batteries, they undergo 3 charge cycle of a battery, which is box stage, absorption stage, and float stage. But for lithium batteries, they only undergo 2 charge cycle of a battery, which is box stage and float stage. If you find this video useful, do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so you'll be notified when I release new videos. See you in the next video.